Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura, for those of you who didn't already know. So if you see me rushing a little bit, it's kind of because I am. It's 10:55 right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I have to be out of the house by like 11:30. So I need to get going. We're leaving on a cruise and I'm so excited. But I did want to get this video up for you guys. So basically what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to show you guys my really quick, really easy travel makeup routine. This is the same makeup I use when I'm getting on a plane. This is the makeup I use on my cruise ships to go out at night. It's just really simple, really easy, really glowy, because I love glowy, bronzy makeup when I travel. So this is it, and it literally takes me probably under 15 minutes, which is amazing. So let's get started. I have already moisturized and I put some chapstick on. I used my Hempz Pure Herbal Extracts lips. I'm almost out of that one. That is amazing. And I also used my Janira Coco Cabana cream, which is amazing. I love that. It smells like coconuts. It's so good. Okay, so let's start off. I have a wet Real Techniques beauty sponge here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, my bad guys, so the first thing you're actually gonna do is put on primer, but I don't know why I forgot that step. You'll see me realize it in just a bit. I'm going to take my L'Oreal Pro Glow Infallible, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna be mixing the shade 203 and 204. So let's just get on here. I am nice and blended. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Age Rewind from Maybelline. This is one of my favorite concealers. This is an oldie, but really is a goodie. So I'm just gonna go in. Right, and then I'm just gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. This stuff is pretty good and it's super cheap. It's only I think $1 or maybe $1.50. Contour my cheek a little bit above my natural cheekbone line, like if you can tell. That's my natural cheekbone line, but I contour it a little bit higher, just because it gives me like a lifted cheekbone effect, if that makes any sense. And this stuff, besides being super cheap, it actually blends really, really good. It I feel like it looks a lot more orange on camera, but like in person, it looks really good. You can totally skip this stuff. You don't have to contour your nose. I just prefer to. Okay, so I am sufficiently contoured. I'm just reblending everything. Make sure nothing is creased and that everything is as blended as possible. I just realized I didn't add primer. Okay, so first step before you do everything, add a primer. Next, I'm gonna take my Kat Von D Shade on Light palette and I mix these two top shades. So I just like to set it underneath my eye. I'm taking my Pretty Vulgar Room powder in Mad About It right here, and I'm just gonna take a real big fluffy brush really fast without really having to worry about it too much, and just set everything. What I'm gonna do now is any like powder foundation. I'm using the CoverGirl Outlast All Day, and I'm just gonna go in like here in these areas or wherever I feel I need a little bit more coverage. I'm gonna go into what probably takes the longest, so I'm just gonna go and fast forward to this, which is doing my eyebrows. But I will see you guys in 2 seconds. So now we're almost done. Got my brows on. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna take big old bronzer, and I'm just gonna take a really big fluffy crease brush, and I really like it because I don't know if you can tell, this is one big old crease brush, and it just gets in there and blends everything in 2 seconds. Like literally, how can that was. When I travel, I'm gonna be totally honest, and I don't know if I'm the only person who does this. I don't take like makeup palettes. Don't take them because I'm gonna be totally honest. When I'm in my cruise or when I'm in like anywhere, what I want to do, I don't want to spend 5 hours blending eyeshadow when I can be out there dancing or just having a good time, you know, wherever I am. So what I normally do, put on a bronzer on my eyes to just add some definition, and literally that is it. Like, that is all I will do. Now for my favorite part, my highlights. Milani Stellar Lights highlighting palette. If you haven't tried this, I definitely recommend it. This is amazing. Like, I literally have so many other highlights, and I just keep going back to this. This is so good, you guys. I'm not even kidding. This is really good. So I mostly like to mix these two colors together, which I think this is Pearl, and then this is Golden Quartz. And I hope I'm saying that right. And then I just mix it together and just pop them on there. And look, do you see that? Like, I'm not exaggerating. This is so good, you guys. Oh, I'm done. Like, I'm so done. You guys. Camera stopped filming because it overheated. That's annoying. But let's see how long I can go without it overheating again. So I'm gonna be wearing a strapless romper right now. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna take this fluffy brush like I was saying, and I just run it in between those, and then I just hit, like, I don't know if you can see these corners here and right here. I'm totally blocking that. And right here, and I like a brush like this to apply that because it just like blends everything and makes it look like you're glowing from within, and it's not like this strong highlight on your shoulder, you know. But like, look at that. Oh my god, yes, 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 yes. All right, and my second to last step, and we're almost done. My all-time favorite blush that I love so much. This is my Milani. It's pretty worn, as you can see, but it's my Milani blush in Luminoso. This is my go-to brush, and it's been for years. I love it so much. And then I like to take some of my blush on my nose just to give an overall pinky, like if I'm a little bit sunburned. I'm just gonna take some of my, this is my NYX Matte Finishing Setting Spray. No, I'm not using mascara. I have lash extensions, so that saves me from that set. But if you don't have lash extensions, that's fine. Just put on some mascara and you'll be good. So I'm just gonna set this. Between the color Seduction, you can't even see because this looks super but it's a seduction lip, or I'll use the color Eternite. See it? So my camera died again. I was doing my lips. Oh, it's so frustrating! But basically what I did is I took a nudie colored lip liner. This is Bodyography in Heatherberry. This is really nice. As you can see, I've used quite a bunch of it. And I took my go-to Revlon and I just overlined a tinge. You don't have to overline. Obviously, that's total personal preference. I just prefer to overline, but you know, to each their own. But that is it. I am done and I am ready to finish packing. As you can see, my suitcase is back there, and head off to the port, the cruise port. I was like, what's that called? The cruise port. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope this helped you and gave you a couple little quick tips and tricks on how to get ready in a jiffy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.